Hi everyone, it's Carol here from the stampinground.co.uk, and today's project is this little box which is 3" square by 1 3/4 inch deep, which is 7.5 by 4.5 centimeters. I did 2 boxes in the same style, and I will show this this box later this week. So if you pop back, I'll show you how to do this one as well. So we're going to do this today. Little tag on, and you can fit a nice little gift in there quite easily. We'll just pop that to one side. So the pieces we'll need, the base is 6" by 6", which is 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters, and the lid is 4.5" square, which is 11.5 centimeters. And then we need one piece at 1" by 3", which is 2.5 by 7.5 centimeters. So for the base, we need to score at 1.5" on all 4 sides, which is 4 centimeters. For the lid, we just need to move this out just ever so slightly from the edge so that the box will fit correctly. You can also pop a piece of card down if you want to bring it out and do it that way, but I find it easier if I just move it slightly out. And each time we're going to score 3/4 inch on all 4 sides, so move it out on each time you score. So 3/4 inch, make sure you move it out just ever so slightly. And the scoring in centimeters is 2 centimeters. I'll put all the measurements and everything I've used on the blog, and all the equipment as well. Now we're going to fold and burnish our score line on the base. And then cut and notch out. That's on all 4 sides. And then before we cut on this, we need to do our pattern. The stamp I've used is from the Birds and Branches. I've used this little flower here, and I've also, for the tag, I've also used the die from the Birds and Branches as well. I'm going to use fresh freesia and Highland Heather. And we're going to stamp all over. I'll just get a piece of paper. So you can see I'm just randomly stamping. There's no pattern to it. Oops. And don't worry if you have, if it's not stamped as well, you will be going over later. Now I'm just going to wipe this ink off here, ready for the next colour. So this is Fresh Freesia, and you're just going to stamp again. Don't worry if it goes over. Well, it has to go over the last stamp because we want to cover. I'll bring this in so you can see. And if you feel you want to go back in with the first colour, then just wipe the stamp clean and pop in the other colour again. So you can see it's nice and quick and it's easy. And very forgiving as well. There we are. I think I'm happy with that. So we just need to cut these 4 little panels, and again notch out on each panel. Gives your box a neater finish. There we are. So turn your box on the right side and glue these four pieces. making sure that you get a nice, a nice straight corner. Oops. If you need to hold it slightly, just for a while, just for the glue to set, then do. And I like to go in with my bone folder. Oops. There we are. So that's our lid finished. And then for the base, turn it over on the right side, and you can either use the liquid glue or you can use the tape. And I'm just going to pop some tape on. Oops. And that's our base finished. So there we are. So we'll just pop our lid on, which you can see is a nice fit because we just moved our card out on the scoring board. So we just need to, we'll add the ribbon now, and then we'll make the tag. Mainly I need to pop my tag on, so I'll just put that to one side. I'm using the Delightful Tag Topper Punch. There's 3 sizes of tags on here. I'm using the smallest one. So just pop it in and press. And we're going to cut this down in a minute. We needed it longer so that we could pop it in and make sure it came out as well. So you do a spare piece of, scrap piece of white cardstock, and our flower stamp as well. And you can use either colour of the inks that we've used in the box. And we just need 3 of these flowers, and then they need die cutting, which I have already done. And we're just going to pop this in the palm of my hand, and I'm just going to press and cup ever so slightly, just so that we get it's not a flat flower. Say that fast. Flat flower. There we are. And then somewhere I have some gems, which I'm just going to pop in the centre. Very pretty and sparkly, these. Oh, there we are. And we'll use the mini glue dots to pop these flowers on. Oops. There we are. Now I've probably taken up more, I have, with these. Oh, in fact, I've only put 2 on there. So I will, because it's only a small box, I'll take one off. And then just trim it. Then bring our box back in and thread the ribbon through. You need 6 hands when you're tying ribbons. Oh, and then just trim the ends, and there we have it. So it's a very pretty box, and like I say, the next couple of days I will be back and I'll show you how to make this oblong one. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for joining me, and if you've liked it, please put a thumbs up on the channel. It does help, and I'll be back very soon. Thank you.